Welcome to the Consumer Tech Update podcast, where in just 1 minute, you'll hear facts, opinion, and the latest tech information underneath the surface about real topics you care about.
Keeping gifts a secret is harder than ever because so much shopping is done online. Today, 3 Amazon.com tricks you need to know. Kim Komando with your Friday Consumer Tech Update. Get my other free podcasts with extended interviews and tech news with Komando on Demand, and also Tech News Today and Tech News This Week, available on Apple and Google Podcasts or wherever you get your podcasts. If you're shopping on Amazon, set up your account to keep gifts a surprise. You can share your account with up to 4 teens and 4 kids, so this way they don't have access to everything you're doing. Next, archive your orders. This way, if some little or big stinker wants to see what you've purchased, it's way more difficult. Finally, your browser's history is a dead giveaway, especially when targeted ads announce everything you've looked at. Erase your browsing history in your account settings, too. We can learn a lot from Santa. Encourage people to believe in you. Know who's naughty and who's nice. And bright red can make anyone look good. I'm Kim Komando.